Okay, so now we're gonna begin the tutorial, and first thing we're gonna need is a Java development kit. Now that's essentially just tools that you're gonna be needing, that you will need for the development of for writing Java code. And the second thing we're gonna need is an integrated development environment. Now most people like to use Eclipse. I personally like to use IntelliJ, and some people like to use NetBeans. Not that they really like to use NetBeans, but I think people who've been coding for a long time are still sticking with NetBeans. But yeah, even in universities, most of these universities, they use NetBeans, and I personally like IntelliJ, so we're going to be downloading that for now. So first of all, I'd like to type JDK, and I don't know what the latest version is of now. Okay, it's 16, Java SE 16. I have the earlier versions. I think 14. I have JDK 14. So if you are watching this video now, then 16 is out, and if you're maybe watching this video years after, then maybe you'll get later versions, then you can download that instead. So let's click on JDK download, and we're going to scroll down, and this is what we're going to see. We're going to see a couple of operating systems, different operating systems and processes, and this is the size, and this is the actual file. So you're going to look at your machine, which operating system do you have, and you're going to download according to that. So I have this one, Windows x64 installer, and okay, now we're going to download the file. So it's your choice. I can choose a compressed archive, which is like a zip folder that I can just extract and then get started. So instead of that, I'm just going to click on this one, and you're going to say I accept, and then you're going to start the download. But I'm not going to download this as of now because I already have my JDK. So yeah, you can continue doing yours, and it might ask you to log in. I think if you are new, it's going to ask you to log in, so you have to sign up somewhere, and then it's going to give you an option to sign up. Then you can sign up, and then that's it. You can begin your download, and then when you're done, you're just going to install the program, and then once you're done installing, then you're done. Next, I'm gonna go back, and I'm going to search for IntelliJ. We're going to download the integrated development environment, so we're using IntelliJ IDEA, and it's the name of the website is jetbrains.com, and we're going to click on this first link, and then we're going to scroll down. No, actually we're going to hit this download button, and we have the ultimate version over here. We have the ultimate version. This one, it's paid for, so we won't be able to use this one after the free 30-day trial. So make sure you download the community version. It has enough tools for us to work with for now. So just hit download, and it's going to begin downloading. And again, I'm going to stop this because I already have IntelliJ. And when it's done, you're just going to install it, and then that's it.